Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. T-Mobile and Sprint reseller Republic Wireless is out with an interesting and unique data-only, prepaid, one-time use, plug-and-play SIM card. It's only available through Amazon, not Republic Wireless, and it can be installed in any unlocked GSM phone. It comes in a 30 and a 90-day version. Although it's advertised as unlimited data, it actually only includes 20 gigabytes of high-speed 4G LTE data per 30-day period, followed by unlimited 2G data, which is defined as 256 kilobits per second for the remainder of the period. The two options are 30 days and 90 days. The 30-day version retails for $30 and the 90-day version retails for $75. The 90-day version comes with three 20 gigabyte buckets of high-speed data. That's one for each 30-day period. So for example, in the first 30-day period, if you use your 20 gigabytes, you're throttled to 2G periods until the next 30-day period kicks in, and then you'll get the 20 gigabytes for the next period. There are some important caveats and notes that you want to keep in mind with this option. First is it requires an unlocked GSM device. Ideally, you want to get one that's compatible with T-Mobile's network to include band 71 to give you the greatest coverage. It's also data only. There is no voice or text service included at all. So although you can put this in a smartphone, you're not going to get voice and text with that, only data. This is also domestic use only for use inside the US, and there's no domestic or international roaming. So you're limited to T-Mobile native towers. Additionally, for the 90-day plan, there's no rollover of the high-speed data, so if you don't use all your 20 gigabytes in a 30-day period, the 20 gigabytes doesn't roll over to the next 30-day period. One major downside is that the SIMs automatically activate, and they activate on the delivery date of when the package is delivered from Amazon to the Amazon shipping address. So that starts the 30 or 90-day clock, and that starts your data. There's no way around that. So you have to plan ahead and get these delivered of when you're going to need them. You can't purchase them in advance and keep them in your back pocket and then activate them when you need that T-Mobile LTE data. The SIMs do expire after the 30 or 90-day period. There's no option to renew or purchase additional data, but you can purchase another SIM card from Amazon if you want to keep using it. And again, this is only available through Amazon. Currently, as of the recording of this video, there is no option for Amazon Prime. This option is not eligible for Amazon Prime. It's and the 2-day free shipping. So you'll need to see what the shipping options are for your particular location. Despite these downsides, this is a nice way to get some high-speed T-Mobile data for short-term use with no strings attached. It can be particularly handy for foreigners who are coming into the U.S. to do some traveling, Canadian snowbirds, or anybody who needs to come in and get an easy, no strings attached data plan for their smartphone or other device. So that concludes it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, and if you want to see more content from this channel, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below. You can also get notifications for when new videos are posted by hitting the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. Thank you again, and have a nice day.